Today, we're going to do a little experiment with some summer sausage, smoking it on the Rectech.
I never thought I'd find anything close to all that I knew you would be. Ain't it beautiful? Darling, beautiful. With you here next to me. Oh, it's beautiful, the life that we've made here. Oh, it's beautiful.
So the reason why we came up with this idea to give it a try is one of Amber's favorite childhood memories when she was a little kid was going to the meat market with her mother and getting some summer sausage. And she always talked about what a great smoke flavor it had. We actually haven't had any summer sausage in a while. So she came up with the idea, and of course she said, hey, Sam's got some. And of course, Sam's, Costco, nothing small. So we got the yard of beef Hillshire Farm summer sausage from Sam's. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to unwrap it. We're going to take the outer casing off. We're going to put it on the smoker for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Then we're going to take it off, let it cool down. Then we're going to try it, see what it tastes like. And then since we still got a few days before Christmas, we're going to vacuum seal it and put it up until Christmas time. And like we talked about before, anytime we smoked something and we got something left, when we have vacuum sealed it, put it up, gotten it back out later, the flavor has been so great, even better than when it first came off, at least to us. So, but again, we're just gonna do a real simple thing on this, and so let's get started. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and put the summer sausage on. Again, we got Ferdinand just set to the lowest setting, which is 180 degrees. And we're gonna smoke it for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Thank you, Ferdinand. All right, it's been an hour and a half. We've had it on there. On Ferdinand, smoking it low again on 180. We'll take it off and let it cool down. All right, so we smoked this up yesterday, wrapped it up, put it in the fridge. Again, we got a few days till Christmas, so we are gonna go ahead and cut it in half and then wrap it so we have more room in the fridge, but also so we can try it. Yeah, we're going to vacuum seal it. Cut it in half, vacuum seal it. Because again, when you vacuum seal it, after it's been smoked, anything, and you get it back out, it's excellent. Good old yard of beef here. Let's give it a try, Amber. Smells smoky.
That's good.
And that is smoky.
It is.
Man. I'm very happily surprised with that, to be honest with
Yeah.
you.
Because, I mean, that's just a cheap summer sausage.
Yeah.
And that really added to the flavor on that.
Yeah. So again, we're going to vacuum seal those, put them in the fridge, have them on Christmas, but that's good stuff right there. Again, we just unwrapped it, took it out of the casing, smoked it for about an hour and a half, let it cool down. Now we're going to vacuum seal it, and it's going to be that way for a few days until Christmas, and then we're going to eat it. And I will tell you, it's smacking good. Merry Christmas. Oh, smacking good.
Making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one